Hi. Um, oh, you saw a thumbnail that out of college and you're getting 15 lakhs. What to do, right? Perfect. Yes, you heard it right. So, yes, if you're a computer science student, or I think if you're electronics student also, or if you're electronics, electrical, mechanical branch, it doesn't matter actually. Um, I believe anyone can get that job. How, right? So I remember in my when I was doing my bachelor's of computer science. In computer science, out of 60 students, only 4 or 5 people really understood DSA, which is a must-have skill if you want to become a good backend developer. You should have understanding algorithms, and I was not one of them. And many of my close friends, they never understood DSA. They never understood algorithm. But guess what? They all are having a great job today. You know why? Because there are many roles they are doing currently, but I have picked one role for this video, which is, guess what? Front end development. Nobody talks about this. I don't know why. Everyone is after DSA, algorithm, you know, learn the algorithm, you will get a placement in Google, Microsoft. Oh, really? I know companies who are hiring front end developers just out of college and paying 15, 20 lakh per annum. I know it's not believable, but it's happening. Okay, and at the end of the video you will understand how why I'm so sure and what makes me so confident about the fact I just spoken about, right? So let's dive into the how part. So if you want to excel in front end development, I think mostly three things. I always say two things. Okay, let's call it A and B. A is learning about the front end development, obviously, learning about the skills, right? So first is you should know HTML, you should know CSS, you should know JavaScript. Three things. Okay, just give 3 weeks, I would say 2 weeks time to understand this. Okay, uh, now moving on to understanding the framework. Okay, what I mean by the framework is understand React. Google it. What is React? They're empty. There are a lot of videos on YouTube just to where they're explaining what is React. Learn the concept. So we're done with HTML, we're done with CSS, we're done with JavaScript, we're done with React. Okay, so once you have learned the concept of React, the framework, right, now the next part is learning how to make responsive design, right? So if you have coded something, it should work on tab, it should work on mobile, it should work on tab, Android phone, or it should work on web platform also. So basically Chrome, Safari, um, Microsoft Explorer, Firefox. It should not break it on any of the platform. Okay, so understand the each and every concept of React. Okay, spend some, I would say 4 weeks. And where you once you're done with the basic concepts of React, jump to advanced concepts. What I mean by advanced concept is, learn React Redux, learn what is state management, right? Learn what is API, what is API integration, right? How to work with RESTful APIs, right? Learn to learn some advanced CSS frameworks like Tailwind CSS, right? I'm just giving one example, right? Material UI. Learn these concepts. Okay, so once you are ready with these skills, so now you are ready for the second part. So that's all. Let's put all this in A. So what is B? B is making a real life project, right? And deploy it somewhere. What I mean by that, while deployment, so for deployment, you can use, either Vercel or AWS, whatever, and host your app there, host your native app if you're working on Android, iOS. So or you have built something for web platform, then host your work. So you get one link, right? Share that one link, you know and because it's very easy to share the one link to your recruiter, on LinkedIn, on cold mail, so people can see your work, right? So if you do A and B, right, and if you have completed A and B after spending some 2 months or 1.5 months, right, doing this, you know this is a bonus for people who are watching this video. And if it makes sense, comment on this video if you're ready. um, I will give you my LinkedIn, and then we can talk there. And I will I will also go through your projects you have worked on. I will go through your resume, and I have many connections. I can refer you. Okay, but all that I will do, if I think that you are worth it, okay, that I will decide. Okay, and trust me, I started with 10 lakh, 15 lakh job, right? Just out of college. You will understand that how real I was when I say that. But you have to promise me. I told you, right? A and B. Do both of those things with full honesty. Give yourself 2 months. I almost give you 100% guarantee of getting a 10 lakh, 12 lakh, 13, 14, 15 lakh job just out of college. Okay? Let me know if you don't understand something, right? And if you want to, you know, know more about any of it, any of the concepts, right? Because see, this is a thing I do for my bread and butter. I am in the industry, okay? So I think I'm the best person to help, okay? So let me know. I'm more than happy to help all of you. Thank you. Bye. Cheers.